Ever pondered over the magic of creating your own miniature ecosystem? Welcome to the world of terrariums, tiny, self-sustaining habitats that bring a slice of nature into your living space. They're not just beautiful, they're a joy to create. Stick around as we delve into the simple steps to create your very own terrarium. Before we begin, gather these essential materials. A clear glass jar, small rocks or pebbles, activated charcoal, potting soil, and small plants or moss are all you'll need. With these materials ready, you're all set to start your terrarium journey. Now we embark on the exciting process of assembling your terrarium. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Begin by layering the bottom of your chosen jar with rocks or pebbles. This layer serves as drainage for excess water, ensuring your plants don't get waterlogged. Next, sprinkle a layer of activated charcoal over the stones. This charcoal helps to keep the water fresh and prevents mold and bacteria from forming. The third step, add a layer of potting soil. This is where your plants will take root and grow. Make sure it's deep enough to cover the roots, but not so deep that it takes up too much space. Finally, it's time to plant your chosen greenery. Whether you've selected ferns, moss, or succulents, gently nestle them into the soil, making sure they're secure. And there you have it, your very own miniature ecosystem. It's a small world after all, and you've just created one right inside your terrarium. Creating a terrarium isn't just a fun activity, it's a journey into the wonders of nature. Feel free to experiment with different plants and jar sizes. It's therapeutic, maintaining a miniature ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more such engaging content.